Meet Mufusend, the adorable Japanese character that is taking Asia by storm. It is getting so popular that 7-Eleven Taiwan has themed an entire store around it. Let's discover this super cute 7-Eleven Mufusend. We will start by admiring the gorgeous takeover first, and then we'll deep dive into the products sold here. 7-Eleven being Taiwan's #1 retailer by revenues, it will be very interesting to discover in store how they managed to get there. Interestingly, it's all about the shark one here. Even though there are many different cosplay versions available, let's see if we can spot some of those later on. A must-have in 7-Eleven Taiwan is a rest area. This particular one is beautifully decorated thanks to this stunning Mufusend mural. FYI, the rest areas in the Coca-Cola and Snoopy-themed 7-Eleven stores are very impressive too. Check out the link below if you'd like to discover them. Ah, here are some Mufusend's plushes with other costumes. What do you think the costumes are? The red one? And the yellow one? Hey, Mufusend with no costume says hello. In response to the question, what is Open Plaza? Open refers to the 7-Eleven Open Chan mascot name, and Plaza signifies the place where you could purchase its products. However, they have since replaced it with Mufusend merchandising. Before discovering the other products sold in this store, let's check out the rest of its amazing decoration. This one, holding a soda, is so fun and perfect for the place, which looks very popular by the way. We are early morning on the weekend and it is already quite busy. Good for them. What looks also very good is the decoration in this part. They have put it in different cosplay costumes. First this lovely saw shark, then some other ones. Lovely to see Mufusend with different emotions or poses. It strikes a really good one here. Oh, here you see it outside of the costume and even playing with a shark. It is really adorable. No wonder it is getting so popular. Wait, what is happening here? The shark is on its head now. So funny. Everywhere you look, you find back an adorable pic of this fluffy and soft creature. They've really put a lot of effort into showcasing this adorable cat in various situations, creating a sense of interaction that's both engaging and charming. People will for sure remember visiting this store, and we hope you will too. What about we slowly finish looking at the decor, and then, right after that, we'll focus on the products sold here. Even though the shelves are quite well stocked, they've done a fantastic job of keeping Mufusend highly visible and irresistibly cute. Let's now explore the products and discover what contributes to 7-Eleven Taiwan's reputation as one of the world's finest convenience stores. Here we have the breakfast end cap, packed with a large variety of products to ensure a great start of the day. The next section is a must-have in many Asian stores, the gift box display. Please take a moment to admire how lovely these boxes are, featuring even some famous characters like Pokemon and Mickey. These shelves are quite busy, which is fantastic as it creates the thrill of a treasure hunt. Clearly the wonderful and wide assortment of gift boxes and then the treasure hunt sensation are contributing to its success. What else is contributing to it? Nespresso? On a more serious note, Taiwan is renowned for its street food, often praised as a mecca for food lovers. So it's no surprise that there's a vast assortment of delicious instant noodles available here, including not just mainstream global brands but also local favorites. Speaking of quite large, it's the perfect intro to the health and beauty section, where you'll find an abundance of options, definitely not following the less is more philosophy here. Hence the reactions of our two friends here above. That's 7-Eleven Taiwan philosophy. They want to be the one-stop shop for their very busy customers, where they can find just about everything, like the accessories here for example. Mufusend is just too cute. No wonder this shop is such a hit. Those snacks packs are gorgeous too. And what about the private label beauty products? So many amazing choices. It is quite interesting to discover that once more they have kind of gift packs. Gift giving is so important in Asia. On top of gift packs, they also want to lead the way with popular products first, like here with those two dedicated shelves. Those 5 key points: rest area, gift boxes, treasure hunt, One-stop shop and innovations are what you'll find in all of their approximately 7,000 stores across the island. As well as these delicious hot food items, tea eggs, mini Odin hot pot, sweet potatoes, and hot dogs. Back to Muffusen for a moment. It's everywhere here, and so irresistibly cute that we have to check it out once more. Oh, sorry Amma, you're super cute too. Please don't be upset. Some nice collectible figurines, then some plush toys. Did you notice that there are some different cats in it? So many other super cool gadgets, and also some adorable travel mugs. This store is a total paradise for Muffusen lovers and anyone who adores all things cute, like the Doraemon items here. We hope you're starting to get a sense of what makes 7-Eleven so popular and successful in Taiwan, as well as how it gains an edge over direct competitors like Family Mart or even supermarkets like Taiwanese PX Mart, all of which you can discover on this channel. Another key success factor for 7-Eleven in Taiwan is its refrigerated product selection, which is nearly as impressive as that of Japanese 7-Eleven, the gold standard for this category. Before discovering it, let's take a moment to enjoy the super lovely and funny Muffusen decor around the ATM, this time featuring a whale shark costume. The frozen food selection is very amazing too. It's such a treat to have so much meal variety right in a convenience store. While the fresh food fridge is busy being restocked, let's explore the cool drink section, the largest area in this location. First up, we have a wide array of dairy products in those iconic carton boxes. These cartons are by far the cutest you'll find in any 7-Eleven. Super cool cartoon or shiny colors, very well done. Would you agree that this huge fresh product section adds to the already big list of key success factors? By the way, which one would be the most relevant one for you? Clearly, the cat theme is very well embraced in this store. Even some cakes are cat themed, and this one is just so lovely. As well as our cheeky Muffusen friend here in the back, this one might be our favorite one. This outlet is so perfect that they are even connecting with some of the other themed 7-Eleven, like Hello Kitty and Snoopy here. They each have two amazing locations in Taipei. Here's a quick preview of a Hello Kitty one, and of a Snoopy. We did not get the opportunity to show it before. Here are the sweet potatoes and the hot dogs, as well as some giant steamed buns. They are all very delicious. And finally the local Slurpees flavors. Did you enjoy discovering this adorable Muffusen themed 7-Eleven? If so, you will for sure love the Mickey Mouse themed one, especially since a surprise guest will guide you through the store. The link is here above. Thank you so much for watching, and please have a wonderful day.